Hi families, hello friends. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on scissor safety. In your bins, you got scissors. Now, when we're working on art projects or we're cutting things out, it is very important that we remember our scissor safety. It keeps our body in the green zone. It keeps our family's body in the green zone, because if our body's going to blue zone, that means we're feeling a little bit worried. So, scissor safety. When you pick up your scissors, you always pick them up with your fist around the part that cuts so that you don't hurt yourself or anybody else. It is unexpected to walk around holding scissors like this. It's unexpected to walk when we have scissors in our hand. If we are using our scissors, then we're cutting. If we're not, you put them down on your table, or you give them to your mommies, your daddies, or your families. If you're giving them to somebody, it's not safe to hand them this way. Always hand your scissors with your fist around the cutting part to your family like this so that they can grab it from the handle, okay? Scissor safety. Always keep your hand around the blade. If you are not cutting and if you're not using your scissors, you put them down on your table. One more tip. Remember, the small circle is for your thumb when you're holding them, and the long oval is for the rest of your fingers when you get ready to cut. So, let's practice. We put our thumb and our fingers into the scissors. Your pinky is usually out. Some people put their pinky in there, and that's okay. Okay? So, thumb in the little circle, all the rest of your fingers in the long oval. And to cut, you open, close, open, close, open, close, and cut your paper. When you're all done, fingers out, hand around the blade to hand them to somebody or put them down. All right, that's your tutorial on scissor safety and how to keep safe and keep your bodies in the green zone. Bye, friends.